Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand that we've never actually shown on the channel before. This is the brand Fonseca, and this cigar is the Delicia. This box was purchased in a duty free, so unfortunately it has a horrible sticker not to show the beautiful orange box. Let's flip this over and we'll show you that this box is from March 2025. And as we mentioned before on this channel, if there is the TC underneath this, it means tripa Corta, which means short filler. So these cigars are short filler cigars, which means they're usually quite loose. We'll open this box and show you. These cigars were made by a fellow who came to Cuba, and when he made his cigars, he decided to wrap them in like a tissue sort of paper to protect the cigars. And since then until today, this is the only Cuban brand that uses it. These cigars are 40 ring gauge by 4 7/8 in length. Let's take one out. And show you this cigar. Now you can't actually see the wrapper leaf because it's all underneath this tissue, and you're actually supposed to take the cigar out of the tissue. And when I say tissue, it's not actually tissue, but that's what they call it. So the wrapper looks like this, and when you take it off, you're supposed to smoke it without the band. Now I've seen a lot of people who just rip it around and keep this part, but I think it's not good because when the cigar does reach the peak, it will burn, and it can cause a fire in your face, something you don't really want. So I would just recommend you taking the wrapper off and smoking it without the band. But nonetheless, these are handmade but short filler cigars. If you have a look over here, you can see the short filler and how it's loosely packed. Even if you feel it, you squash it, it's quite a bit squishy. And then if you look at the band as well, this is a very nice band, something unique, not your regulars, not something you see every day. And these cigars are light body, I would say, not even medium, I would say light. In terms of flavors, I personally am not the biggest fan of them, just because I find that they are a bit strong and bitter. But again, some people have told me that they really like these cigars. Anyways, if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.